An AI agent named Julian just helped one company save $450,000 a year by replacing work that used to require a growing sales team. This isn't a concept or a demo, it's a real documented deployment with real numbers. Today I'm breaking down exactly how this agent works, what it actually does versus what gets exaggerated online, and how you could apply the same principle even as a solo creator. Here's the situation. A company called Connect Team was expanding into new industries, healthcare, retail, construction, and their sales team hit a wall. They were already handling over 120,000 calls a month, but only booking 20 meetings a week. Traditional outreach, email, and cold calls just wasn't scaling. Hiring more reps meant more salary, more training, more management overhead. So they deployed an AI agent named Julian, built to operate like a human phone rep, but at a scale no team could match. The key detail most people skip: Julian wasn't a generic chatbot. He was trained on industry-specific messaging, kept updated with real product changes, and focused specifically on re-engaging dormant leads, the ones human reps didn't have time to prioritize. That focus on a specific neglected task is what made the difference. Not just having an AI agent. Here's what actually happened. $450,000 saved annually in sales salaries. Over 120,000 monthly calls handled autonomously. A 73% drop in meeting no-shows because Julian handled reminders and confirmations perfectly every time. And more than 20 qualified meetings booked weekly with a 40% conversion rate. That no-show number is the one most people overlook. Consistency, not just volume, is where a lot of this value came from. Now, the honest limits, because this matters. Julian didn't replace the entire sales team. He handled a specific, well-defined task: outreach and re-engagement. Complex negotiations, custom pricing conversations, and closing high-value deals still involved human reps. The lesson here isn't AI replaces salespeople. It's AI handles the repetitive, high-volume part extremely well, so humans can focus on the part that actually needs judgment. If you're a solopreneur or run a small business, you don't need an enterprise deployment to apply this principle. Start with one narrow, repetitive task, following up with leads who went quiet, or confirming appointments, and set up a simple AI-powered workflow for just that one task using no-code tools. The company in this case study won by going narrow and specific, not by trying to automate everything at once. That's the actual lesson to copy. The takeaway isn't that AI agents replace people. It's that they're exceptional at one specific kind of repetitive, high-volume work. Find that task in your own business, automate just that, and you get a version of these results without needing a $450,000 problem to justify it. I'll be building a scaled-down version of this exact workflow in an upcoming video. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.